I know you guys love me. Assalamu alaikum. Good evening, everyone. It is an honor to welcome you to the 11th annual Minnesota State Iftar Dinner. We have done amazing last year, and we will continue doing it, and I want to thank you, all of you, for accepting us to participate this event. Ramadan is a time of reflection, gratitude, compassion. Muslims fast from sunrise to sunset. But fasting is not the only about food. It's about humanity, charity, caring for our neighbor. It is reminding us to uplift for those people that really need our neighborhoods, and to strengthen our character for good deed and good character. Here in Minnesota, we show that faith and civic life can work together. The different backgrounds